What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ruben, back with another video, man. And today, man, we're gonna be putting on this '03 to '04 Cobra bumper, man. I got it from LMR. You know what I'm saying? The link gonna be in the description. So if you need you one, go ahead and get it, man. Also, man, I'm gonna be posting a video at least every week, man. Go ahead and turn on your notifications and hit the subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Yeah, YouTube, as y'all can see, man, my bumper is in. I got the Cobra bumper, got the fog lights, and the bezels. As y'all can see, got a little damage on it, but it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? It'll be a link in the description of where I got it from. I had to get some new bolts because the bolts they sent, they ain't really fit. So I had to get some new bolts, as y'all can see. These are the bolts that they sent. They didn't really fit, so I had to get some new ones. That's about it. We're gonna put everything on and we're gonna get back with y'all. So YouTube, basically what you wanna do is, you wanna put this on there, line it up just like that, put the rivet in there, get your rivet gun. Get your rivet gun, put it on there. Hold on. And basically, just squeeze together. There you go. You got your rivets in there. Now, all you gotta do is go out to the car, put it on, bolt it on, and you're good. Hook your lights up, and you good. YouTube, we out here, so all we did, we just stuck the bumper in place. Just gonna put it on the side right here. You're gonna put 2 bolts on that side. Come on this side, and you're gonna put 2 bolts on the other side. Then you wanna bolt that up. As you can see, mine's not lining up, and this one is broke. I'm gonna have to do something else about that. But as of right now, this is how it's looking. Yeah, YouTube, as y'all can see, that grill actually wasn't supposed to go on there. So I'm gonna take that grill off after I get my new header panel. And when I get a new header panel, I'll put a grill, delete on, and you know what I'm saying, that'll be it. Everything will be looking good. But as of right now, this is what I'm going with. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna show y'all how I look from a distance. As y'all can see, YouTube, we got that new Cobra bumper on with the fog lights and bezels. No wonder that I don't lock my keys in my car. Yeah. As y'all can see, YouTube, I got my exhaust lead fixed, got my EGR valve fixed. I recently had a bad heater coil busted. I got my heater coil fixed, my AC compressor fixed. Got a lot of stuff fixed. We back on the road, baby. We back on the road.